welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Marlene and today we are doing some more spring cleaning. As you can see, we are in my daughter Kailey's bedroom. She is my 2-year-old toddler and today we're going to be cleaning out her room. I am very excited to be collaborating on this video with another YouTube mama. Her name is Freya. She's actually from Germany, but her channel's name is A Healthy Minimalist Mom, and over there you can find all things minimalism, organizing, living a healthy lifestyle, as well as being frugal. So if you guys are interested in any of that, just need some cleaning motivation, you want to get everything in your home organized, make sure you head over there, check her channel out, and let her know I sent you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First things first, I am putting my hair up so that I can clean comfortably, have my hair out the way, but I'm just going to be moving all of the comforter, the blankets, the pillows, everything that's on top of the bed, just moving it off to the side. And I had actually just washed these a few days before, so that's why you won't see me washing them in this video. But now that that's out of the way, I'm just picking up a few of the random toys on the sides and moving the bed away from the wall.
Take me away to where I should be. I don't know where I belong, but I keep on searching for my home. There's a hunger in my soul, makes me keep on trying.
And look at the amount of toys that have made their way underneath Kailey's bed and to the side of it. There's a lot of dust here on the baseboards, so I need to clean that off. And then back here we have a little dead spider. I don't know if you guys can tell right there. There's a dead spider, so I need to clean that up.
Oh, I wonder if there's a place where the sun won't go away. Wide awake with an open mind, looking out from a mountain high. I don't know what to do now, need to figure it out, but I don't know how. I hope the wind will carry me and take me away to where I should.
Now that the floor is clear from all toys, I am coming in with a duster and just dusting off the baseboards, and then coming in with the vacuum to just vacuum away all of the dust and debris or whatever that fell onto the floor.
Makes me keep on trying, holding on. Take me all the way, all the way. Take me all the way, and I keep on searching for my home.
Now, using my Method antibacterial spray and a microfiber cloth, I am going in and wiping down all of the baseboards, just getting all of the grime off of it, making sure it's very well cleaned, as well as the outlet. As I was wiping down the baseboards, I noticed that the power cord was very dusty, so I decided to just move the bed a little bit more and take out all the containers that I had stored underneath. And here you can see how many dust bunnies were underneath that bed. Like, it was bad. So I went ahead and just got my vacuumed all of that up so that the floor was nice and clean, as well as that power cord. I just wiped it down with that same Method antibacterial spray, and then just made sure everything was very nice and clean before I go ahead and move the bed back into its original spot. And while I was at it, I went ahead and just vacuumed the sides of the bed so that everything was nice and fresh and there was no dust or dirt anywhere. onto the floating shelves above Kailey's bed, I am removing all of the little knickknacks that I have displayed and using the duster to just wipe off the dust, and then going back in with the Method antibacterial spray, wiping all of those knickknacks down as well as the shelves, and just putting everything back in its place. As you guys saw earlier, I had these plastic storage containers underneath Kailey's bed because I do like to make use of the vertical storage space. So I'm just giving them a quick wipe down, and as I was cleaning, I noticed that in one of them, all of my Prince Royce CDs and just CDs in general were in there. So if you know, you know that I really love me some Prince Royce. So I found all of my CDs as well as a very old school Hannah Montana CD. So I'm just going to be cleaning this down and then just putting them back underneath her bed, but honestly I did not even remember these were in there. Now I am moving over to the corner, just removing all of the extra stuff from there so that I can give the window a good wipe down and not have all the debris fall onto the chairs and the rug and whatever. So I'm just going to be cleaning the window with my usual the Method glass and surface cleaner. So I'm just going to wipe down the window and then work my way down. By the way, I do have a toddler's room reveal video up on my channel, so if you guys are interested in any of the objects that you see in Kailey's room and you would like to know where I got them from or whatever, I will leave the link to the video down in the description box in case you guys want to check it out. Now moving over to what used to be my desk and then became Kailey's changing table, I am cleaning down the mirror and removing the changing table because she has been doing great with potty training, so I think it's safe to say that we can get rid of this changing pad and say goodbye to Kailey's diapers for good. So same process here, going in again with my antibacterial spray and just spraying down all of the surfaces and also vacuuming up the chair and the pillow. As you can see, I have been using my vacuum all around the room for different surfaces, from cleaning the bed frame to cleaning the floors to cleaning the rugs, the chairs, and everything. So this is one of my favorite cleaning tools, and I would totally recommend this hands down to any of you guys. So if you are out there looking for a very good vacuum, I know the Dysons are very expensive, but they are very well worth it as well. I've honestly even thought about doing one of these vacuum giveaways in the future because you guys need one of these. They are literally life-changing. The cordless feature about it just makes cleaning that much easier, especially if you have kids. It is definitely a game changer. Let me know down in the comments if that is something you guys would be interested in. Moving on, you see me taking a little sip of coffee because the coffee is keeping me motivated to do this, but I'm going to be cleaning Kailey's toys. I'm just tidying them up a little bit. Now that all of the toys are organized and put away, I am coming in with my toy disinfectant spray and just spraying everything down. And if you guys are ever interested in any of the cleaning products I am using, I try my best to list them down in the description box. So if you ever just want to know anything I'm using in a specific video, just open that up and it should be listed there. If not, leave me a comment or send me a message over on my Instagram or just anything. I would be more than happy to help you guys out. Now that everything around the room has been cleaned, I am vacuuming and mopping the floors one last time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got tons of cleaning motivation from it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to check out Freya's channel. I will leave all of her information down in the description box. So go over there, check her out, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.